So, how to fix Telegram download stock problem easily and fast. First thing guys, if you want to fix this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone, and then this is the settings as you can see. Go to the wireless and networks, and then go to the Wi-Fi or the mobile network if you are connected to, and then disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again like this. Go back, and now you have to open the apps manager page. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, so just click on Telegram right here. If you didn't find it, you can search for it here in the search bar. Click on Telegram and then click on stop or force stop right here. Click on the storage and then click on clear cache. That's it guys, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.